Tugnaw eh. Hangin pa sa kayo. Gatoy. Pula-pula gid akong kanang kamot tungod sa tugnaw. Look at my hands, so red. It's so cold. Why are you laughing?
Because it's amusing to me.
You're so bully to me. Kasi may tugnaw na anak. Tinawang ko ana. Tawang snow. Pagka pa nahihilis no. Dugay na kayo ni kapag pa niyang kuan. Nagputi. Grabe yung tugnaw, promise. Ngayon na akong kuan gawin pula ha kay. Tugnaw jud guys niya. First time na ako nagawas nga kanang kuan. So kato nag-snowstorm. First time na ako nagawas sa kanang gawas gid ko magawas nga kanang nilaan niya na first time na ako gamit ko na promise and siyempre naras sa kanang kuan so the balay. This is my first time to go outside, so it's very cold.
That's what it says outside.
22 Fahrenheit.
It's going to be negative 15 possibly on Sunday, which means it's going to be much colder than that. Negative 15, you could probably throw a cup of water into the air and it'll turn to ice or snow.
I will try to like blow a bubble fish.
It'll probably freeze.
Yeah,
And
so I mom said I'm gonna try it with Maya.
Yeah, at negative 10 to 15 degrees it might. I mean, you could probably take a cup of water. Believe it or not, hot water freezes faster. Take a cup of hot water, throw it up into the air, and it might freeze into snow as it comes down.
I see, yeah. Grabing tugnawa, oy. Ito po, oy. Nabaguan ko, ay siyempre, way gawas-gawas. Darastol sa gawas ba? Darastol sa gawas. Narastol sa balay. Kapag puan, bit ka, ay nga. Grabe. Gawas MC po naging sa katugnaw. Hindi kasi po nun, gawas. Buto, urag kalit.